Are you looking for a full tower PC cases in 2021? In this video, I will show you the 5 best full tower PC cases in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Lian LI 11 Dynamic XL ROG Certified. Lian LI 11 Dynamic XL ROG Certified is the newest and greatest upgraded version of the very popular 11 Dynamic. Huge dual-chamber mid-tower case with an addressable RGB strip alongside the front panel. The front lighting effect can be controlled through the MC buttons on the front. Switch to the 8th mode, you'll be able to sync it with the motherboard. Spacious interior for a huge motherboard and 446mm long graphics cards. Front and left side panel in tempered glass combined with premium aluminum top and right side panel. Once again designed with the collaboration of Germany's famous Der 8-hour, the 11 Dynamic XL is bigger in every way to further increase its possibility of water cooling capabilities by providing more space for thicker radiators, as well as taller GPU water blocks. The 4th product on the list is the Fractal Design Meshify 2 XL. The Meshify 2 XL is a massive high-performance case with a bold, stealth-inspired aesthetic. Its striking exterior features bolt-free, flush-tempered glass, a fully removable top granting excellent interior access, and a fully redesigned front complete with USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C. Iconic angular mesh design provides filtered airflow. New case design opens up to fully expose interior on 3 sides. Supports up to 18 HDDs and 5 SSD mounts in default storage layout. The enormous dual layout interior supports full-sized eATX and SSIEEB boards, gigantic storage arrays and radiators up to 480mm to make cooling a breeze. The 3rd product on the list is the Phanteks Enthoo Pro 2. High-performance full tower capable of extreme workstation and dual system. Spacious open interior supports up to SSIEEB motherboard, dual 480 and dual 360 radiator support simultaneously, dual vertical GPU support, and dual system/PSU support. Extreme configuration for fans up to 15x fan mounting location, water cooling dual 480 and dual 360 radiator support simultaneously, and storage up to 12x HDDs or 11x SSDs. Clean cable management with guided cable routes and cover, integrated PSU cover. The 2nd product on the list is the Thermaltake Core P8 TG. The Core P8 TG is a transformable eATX full tower chassis that can be either used as a closed or open style case with TT-LCS certification. Rotational PCIe slots give you the option to display your graphics card either horizontally or vertically, creating plenty of flexible space for your system. 2 3.0 USB, 2 2.0 USB, and 1 Type-C port placed at the front right panel to grant direct access when needed. 3 superfine filters on the right, top, and at the bottom are designed to provide excellent protection against dirt and dust from the outside of the case, and is easily removable for cleaning. The 1st product on the list is the Coolermaster C700P. The Cosmos C700P is a premium full tower case with iconic aluminum handles, RGB lighting and flexible interior, ideal for builds of enthusiasts and gamers. The unique frame design offers the flexibility of a removable, rotatable, to create chimney effect or inversed motherboard layout. The chassis comes with a PSU shroud and covers for clean cable management. The Cosmos C700P accommodates up to 360mm radiator on the top and 420mm radiator in the front. Show off the build through the dual curved tempered glass side panel, which will give a wide view inside your PC. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.